Welcome back. This is class 8, and today we're going to be talking about nouns. And nouns are the things around you that you can see and you can touch. They're objects. So if you look around you now, what do you see? I guess you see a computer, maybe a table, maybe a chair, and definitely a computer screen. But if you have two, then you add S. So you have a computer, you have two computers. You have a table, two tables, three tables. A chair, many chairs. A screen, many screens. So to make it more than one, we add S and we don't put a in front. Now, if you look at the rooms in your house, you have a living room where you spend your time with your family and you watch television, and then a dining room where you eat, a bedroom where you sleep, a kitchen where you cook and prepare food, and a bathroom where you clean yourself. So let's see what we have in those rooms. In your living room, you probably have a sofa. Maybe you have two sofas. Maybe you have a chair, or maybe two or three or four chairs. Add the S. A coffee table or coffee tables, a TV, and it would be very strange to have more than one TV in your living room. But the plural of TV is TVs, and plural means more than one. In your living room, you also maybe have a lamp, like a light you can use at night to see better. A carpet on the floor. Maybe a pot plant or pictures on the walls. In your dining room, you probably have a dining room table and you have chairs. You can call them dining room chairs. And in your bedroom, a bed, a bedside table. Maybe you have two, one each side. A dressing table, especially for the girls, they like to put their makeup and all their pretty things on a dressing table. And then a cupboard where you put all your clothes inside. And maybe you have lots of clothes. Maybe you have two cupboards. Also, on your bed, you probably have a blanket or some blankets and a pillow or pillows and a mirror so you can look at yourself and see what you look like. In the kitchen, you may have a kitchen table, and there you might have chairs. You have a sink where you wash the dishes and wash your vegetables before you cook them. You have a stove to cook on, or maybe you use your microwave to cook. And you have a fridge to store all your food so it stays nice and cold. And also, you have a knife or you have knives for cutting, a fork, forks, a spoon, spoons for eating, and a plate or plates to put your food on top of. And then you have pots and pans for cooking. In your bathroom, you have a bath. Maybe you have a shower. You have a toilet and a basin. So the small thing like a sink in your bathroom is called a basin. In the kitchen, it's called a sink. In the bathroom, it's called a basin. And then you have soap, shampoo, shower gel, toilet paper. Maybe you can think of many more objects in your bathroom. So let's practice. You have a what in the bathroom? A microwave? Oh, a basin? A sofa? Of course you have a basin in the bathroom. And you sit on in the living room. What do you sit on? You sit on a sofa. Nice. And you cook on a plate in the kitchen, or you cook on a table in the kitchen, or you cook on a stove in the kitchen. You cook on a stove in the kitchen. And you clean yourself in the bathroom, in a bath, or in a basin, or in a sink. It can't be a sink because the sink is in the kitchen. So you clean yourself in the bath and you wash your hands in the basin. And you sleep in the bedroom. Do you sleep in a cupboard? Do you sleep in a bedside table? Or do you sleep in the bed? No, of course you sleep in a bed. Well done. So we're going to see you next time for greeting people. How do you greet people when you want to say hello or goodbye? See you soon.